Yeah, hello everyone. In today's session, we will look after the concept called Bootstrap. Already, we came across HTML language, cascading style sheets, JavaScript. Now, let us start the introduction class on Bootstrap. So, before going to Bootstrap, it starts with one question, that is, what is Bootstrap and where we can use this Bootstrap, right? Straight away, the simple answer is Bootstrap is a framework. It is not a language. It is a framework. And by using this framework, we can build fast and responsive sites. Right? We can build fast and responsive sites. Actually, the main intention of this Bootstrap framework is to implement mobile first sites. Actually, it concentrated to give a look on the mobile view, right? So that's why nowadays it became most popular, right? So in earlier days, before coming up the Bootstrap, we need to customize the site in a mobile view also. But now, we straight away the by using this Bootstrap framework, our website or our web application is responsive for the mobile view also, right? And by using this framework, what we can do means we can design or we can develop a lot of websites, right? uh, Before going to that, we just verify what is meant by a framework. What is framework, right? So it is showing we already gone through some of the lectures in software programming, software engineering. So here a software framework is an abstraction in which software providing generic functionality and can be selectively changed by adding user written code, right? So by seeing this definition, I think many of the people doesn't understand, right? Very simple. A framework which is a kind of a it's a kind of a repository which contains a lot of library, a lot of functions. All those things will be there, right? That's why we simply make this Bootstrap as a framework. Then where we can use this Bootstrap, and how we can download this Bootstrap, how to get this Bootstrap to my HTML site, sorry, to my HTML web page. For that question, simple, the answer is we can download the Bootstrap by visiting this link, right? Click on it. So it will show you the standard site, getbootstrap.com. In that bootstrap.com, it will show the download options, right? So I will show you two options. One is compiled CSS and JavaScript, right? Why we need a CSS and JavaScript means I already told you this is a framework which contains a lot of functions, lot of libraries, all those things will be there. So those framework is useful for CSS and JavaScript, right? That means in next coming classes we are straight away using this Bootstrap framework which can be helpful for CSS and JavaScript, right? This is one way of downloading. Straight away by clicking download, it will give you, I will show you the download options also. But straight away it will give a download, right? So download here, and I downloaded successfully, and I simply open extract to Bootstrap and double click on it. Inside the Bootstrap, it contains what is there inside the downloading of this Bootstrap. It contains two folders, that is cascading style sheets and JavaScript. So by downloading, it will have a lot of cascading style sheets already as defined. Simply by knowing the functionality, by knowing the need, we can use this CSS files. In the same way, we can use this JavaScript file. A lot of things, bundle of things will be there, right? Okay, this is one type of using the Bootstrap. And another type is Bootstrap CDN. Bootstrap CDN. So what is CDN? What is CDN? What is CDN? CDN means Content Delivery Network. Content Delivery Network. Right. It's a kind of a repository which will located in some other position. So that means without downloading Bootstrap, by using this link, we can able to use the features of cascading style sheets and JavaScript, which is already defined in the framework. Right. Okay. So by seeing the, I will show you a program. By seeing the program, we can understand what is CDN, right? So in the here it is showing the example also, right? I will show here itself. So you can observe here what is it here. Link rel style sheet. We know href is equal to, here he had given one link. He given some link. He has given some link, right? So this particular link will store the repository of the Bootstrap. So earlier we have downloaded the repository in our local system, but without downloading, by using this link, we can able to use the features, right? So let us show you one example. Let us show you one example so that you will get a clear idea. I will show you one example. What is here? What is it is showing? It is showing hello world, right? Before going to inside the code, I will show you one more that is called, I will show you one more. One second. Right. I will show you one more. So here it is also basic HTML, and it is also showing hello world. But you can observe the difference. This is a normal way of look. That means before going to any kind of functions, any kind of parties, how we will be look in this manner. Very normal. But after doing some makeup, we will be become like this. But you told that, but you can ask me, sir, earlier you have used the CSS, we can beautify, right? Yes, we can, by using CSS, we beautify the web pages. It's just like using the local brands in the market. But this is the international brand, right? So I will tell you all those things, right? So before going to the, I just show the a difference without using Bootstrap with using Bootstrap. What is the change? It's completely make the change the look and feel, right? Let's go inside the coding part of the Bootstrap. So it is also, so Bootstrap is, I already told you, it is not a language. So it is a HTML, it is a framework. So that's why I can use this framework in my HTML page. So see here, this is the, right. So by seeing this simple code, as usual, so I will tell you what is doc type HTML and all those things. So leave it for time being, and for time being, leave this thing also. So I will tell you when we are going to start in tomorrow session the pure using of Bootstrap. So I will once again explain what is this meta tag and what is the viewport. So you keenly observe here this particular line. What's happening here? Link rel style sheet, that is we are telling here I am going to use style sheets. Href, I am giving the reference. But what I have given, I have given one CDN link. given one CL link, right? But earlier what we did in earlier, I will show you that one also so that you will get a clear picture. So in earlier, this is the internal style sheets. This is the internal style sheets, and also in the head section, in head section, what we did in head section, what we did, we simply use a tag called style tag, right? Style tag, that is internal, that is internal style sheets. And after that, what we did, so we simply remove the so and so thing, and after that, what we did, so we simply here this particular thing I'm expecting to say. So here what we did, link rel href is equal to, this is the external style sheet. That means this style sheet is downloaded. That means this style sheet is located in my HTML page itself. That means where is the HTML page, at that location itself my external style sheet is also there. But what about this file? What about this file? This particular file will simply telling that there is no external style sheets. It is depending on a link. That particular link will have the style sheet bootstrap.min.css. That means this link will redirect to some other location. In that location, the bootstrap style sheet is there, right? And that particular style sheet is shown the effect on hello world, right? So don't worry, for the first class you people little bit of confusion. So in tomorrow's class we will get a good idea when we are practicing, right? So for time being we'll stop here. In tomorrow's session we will start another deep introduction first program on bootstrap, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel.